Discover a secret garden remedy. Cough relief inside. Imagine easing that stubborn cough with just a few enchanting leaves. So, in this mesmerizing botanical escape, we unveil an age-old technique using eucalyptus leaves. Harvested fresh, these aromatic wonders create a soothing herbal steam right at home. Simply crush, boil, and inhale. Feel the magic as the steam gently clears congestion, offering natural relief. But here's the surprising twist. It's not just about the herbs. It's about connecting with nature. Ready for more botanical secrets? Like for more, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming wonders.